Hello everyone, I'm Tahir, your dedicated customer support specialist. Welcome to a day in the life of customer service excellence. A customer in need, no problem. I'm here to answer your call with a smile and resolve any issue efficiently. Multiple chats, no sweat. I tackle customer queries in real time, ensuring everyone gets the attention they deserve. Behind the scenes, crafting detailed and professional email responses to ensure our customers are always in the loop. Technical hiccup, fear not. I navigate through the servers, providing expert assistance to solve any tech challenge. Turning complaints into smiles, it's an art. Watch me handle disgruntled customers with finesse and turn the situation around. Billing discrepancies, I'm on it, ensuring transparency and resolving complex billing inquiries with ease. Engaging with you on social media, your feedback matters, and I'm here to respond promptly and professionally. A multitasking maestro, juggling multiple channels simultaneously to provide seamless support across the board. Sometimes things need to escalate. I'm here to handle tough situations, ensuring resolutions and happy customers. Behind the scenes, updating our knowledge base to ensure we stay on top of the latest information and provide accurate solutions. Customer satisfaction is key. Watch me follow up personally to ensure you're not just satisfied but delighted with our service. Rolling out the red carpet, see how I provide VIP-level support to our esteemed customers, making them feel truly special. As the day winds down, join me in reflecting on the day's interactions. I take pride in providing top-notch customer service, and I'm ready for whatever tomorrow brings. Thrilled at the prospect of working with you. Your project aligns perfectly with my expertise. Eager to contribute and elevate your customer support experience, let's create excellence together.